OpenAI just released the Sora app for Android devices. Want to start using Sora yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Sora on Android. Now let's get started. To download Sora for Android, first open the Play Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Sora in the search bar. Tap Sora when it appears in the search results. Then tap Install. If prompted, use face or fingerprint scanning or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open to start using the Sora app. That's all it takes to download Sora on Android. To learn the basics of using Sora, check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.